Against the wind, we fly so eternal. Against the sea, we fly our backs to the walls. Against the stress and the presence of our enemies. Against the storms roaring at our faces. A cry rang out throughout the skies. I began the flight of the cranes, the call of the mountains. The call of the air, the call. Tuning our heart, the song of the mountains. What's that sear so blatant in our selling eye? Was that urge that leaped at our prolonging earth? Was that a ring echoing from the leading sky? Was that our word sounding from the lyre's string? Crying out in this appealing way of the hands, the outcry of the prey, call of the mountains. The call of the air, the tuning our heart, the song of the mountains. The voices